Hello, kings and queens. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time stopping by, I am Grace and you are warmly welcome. I believe by the special grace of God, you all are doing amazingly good. Today I am here to introduce to you my melt in your mouth tuna pie. These are 100 pieces of pie that are made for a client and they came out so good, so flaky, and they melt in your mouth. In fact, a baby, a toddler without tooth can enjoy this pie to the fullest. Yes, and I can't wait to share the recipe with you. Let me use this great opportunity to ask you, have you subscribed to my channel? If you haven't, please follow these steps to subscribe to my channel. Click on the icon or the part that says subscribe, and when you are done subscribing, the bell icon will come up. Click on the bell icon and select all. This way, every time I upload a video, you will be the first person to be notified. Thank you for subscribing. Massive thanks goes out to all those who come back to watch my video every now and then. I am grateful and thankful for your support towards this channel. God richly bless you. And until I come your way with something yummy, something mouth-watering, something finger-licking, keep safe, stay out of trouble, be true to yourself, and and always remember that life's greatest lessons are usually learned at the worst times and from the worst mistakes. I will see you again in my next one. Bye-bye.